So, howdy y'all. We are now on day 9 billion of the eternal renovation project, and the main reason it's dragging on so long, it's also the reason I'm talking funny. I suspect at this point I have the so-called walking pneumonia, and let's just say it's not a good feeling. Ache all over and coughing and so on and so forth. So I'm definitely doing everything in very slow motion, but I am making a bit of progress. Actually working on the doors now and putting things back in the cabinet. And I have my sewing table back in here, but right now I'm messing with what is going to be a Swedish Hisgardin, Roman shade, but a somewhat simplified version, so I can raise it and lower it, and look nicer than boring old blinds. But at this moment, I haven't gotten so far with that project yet either. My white and purple curtains I was going to use haven't worked so well. These here are wider than expected and heavier weight fabric, or than I thought they were. And then I have some other purple lightweight fabric curtains that are actually kind of similar to the design, but they're very narrow. But they're nice and lightweight, and you see, this is all getting like really complicated. So eventually everything will sort itself out, or I will sort it out, but just going way slower than I would like. Well, that's the news update for today. Oh, here you can see I finally got the Monster High art set, so that is very cute. And I have the Crypt Keeper. I don't have the whole set for that because I get things, you know, online secondhand. These sets are really kind of expensive, but they're also really well made. So there you have that, and so and then I can trip over things too. And then some stuff I've made too, like a little box or cabinet there, and there's the stove. So, and then here on my work area, oof, if I can get to it without tripping 500 more times, I'm working on the Mad Scientist lab. So I have a little cupboard here with a sink and doors that open. I have to put some knobs on them. And cardboard got all distorted when I was painting, which is good because it's supposed to be like an old beat up cabinet, and that's what it looks like, so I done good. So that's all for now. Bye.